Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of Navy Lingo here at the National Civil War Naval Museum. I'm Jeff Seymour, curator and historian here at this great facility. And you may be wondering what I'm doing with a sharp object in my hand, which is something my boss often gets scared of. Well, let me tell you, this has a particular purpose, and it is a tool common in sailing ships because it's used in the process of working with rope. So you've got to repair a rope, you've got to make thicker rope, anything like that. Well, you're going to use the Fid, F-I-D, Fid, and say you've got these rope strands. You can use it to separate the rope strands and work your rope back around and through. So this is one of the most important tools in the process of rope work. Well, ladies and gentlemen, where does Fid come from? Well, it's a little nebulous there. We don't know the exact origin of it when it comes to English. It first appears in sailors' lingo about the early 1600s, and there's no real connection there to an older language. However, there is in Latin fidus. It's a word suffix, and it means to separate. So if you're going to separate something into two or more pieces, then you add that suffix to the word. It's Latin, it's crazy, I know. But anyway, we get Fid, and so that's its job. It enters into the rope and separates into two. So a more modern tool called a marlin spike is the same thing. It's just a marlin spike is metal, a Fid is always wood. So don't ever confuse the two. Now this particular example is from the Civil War period and actually has a little bit of rope work around the base of it to allow it to sit in the user's palm very comfortably and so forth, can work with the rope. Also, there is a math portion of this. The Fid actually needs to be 21 times the length of the diameter of the rope that you're working on. So these Fids always come into different sizes, so watch out for that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this has been another great episode of Navy Lingo here at the National Civil War Naval Museum. And if you really like the content, please be sure to hit that like button down below or to the side, whichever way it shows up on your device. And make sure that you check out our website at www.portcolumbus.org.